Hi everyone, I'm Katie. Today I'll introduce you to Smart HR that will help you find talent more efficiently. So your company is planning to hire qualified data scientists, meaning who have successfully completed your training courses, but more than 20,000 people signed up. So the question is, among these people, how many would actually join your company? According to the data we were given, by the time of survey, only 25% of them are looking for a new job. And if we look at the distribution by training hours or work experience of these candidates, we would see that it's actually very hard to separate the two classes. So here's where Smart HR comes in. Given the candidate info, such as education, current company, and the credentials, Smart HR will help you figure out whether the candidate is looking for a new job, aka a switcher, or not, based on the probability it calculated and the threshold you choose. And the model behind is logistic regression. We use AUC to evaluate the model. It means area under the curve characterizing the model performance. We will not get into the technical details, but to give you some idea, a perfect model would score 100, and a random guess would be 50. Our model has a score of 76.5. For a more specific example, say you now have a new batch of candidates. You need to select whom to reach out to. Of course, you can be ambitious and interview all of them, but only about 25% would actually consider joining your company. Well, you can filter by more experienced people or who are more dedicated to their training courses, but anyhow, the yield is low. Now with Smart HR, the yield can be increased to above 50%. And by converting the percentage back to the number of candidates, you'd see that Smart HR saves you a significant amount of time. Putting the two bars side by side, given 2,000 candidates, Smart HR can narrow it down to 700 people for you. That saves you about 67% of time. But the trade-off is you would only catch 65% of the switchers. This number 65% is what we call recall. You don't have to worry because we can adjust the threshold to increase recall to, say, 83%. And that will still save you 46% of time. But if 83 is not good enough for you, you can use our web app for customized metrics. Here you can see the statistics of the candidates. And on the left-hand side, you can apply your own filters, such as specific major like STEM and business, or certain training hours like above 100 hours. And then here I can check the qualified candidates. And then down here, there's the model. And then there's the customized metrics. I can adjust the threshold or say, now if I only have very limited time to interview just 100 candidates, or I don't want to miss any potential candidates, then I can increase the recall to 90%. And eventually, this will give you the info of candidates with the filter applied. Like shown in the app, you will get a list of candidates and the probability of them being a switcher sorted from high to low. So based on your time and resources, you can prioritize whom to contact first. The immediate impact of Smart HR is, of course, reduce cost and time for HR to find new talent. But more importantly, in the long run, it helps with retaining talent. This includes better categorization of the candidates and better planning of future training courses. It helps you understand employee decision, like factors that would lead to a person leaving his or her current job. That being said, the model not only tells you the numbers, but also analyzes what features are important based on the coefficients. For example, the candidate's current company type may play an important role, or like those who did not disclose their information could have a higher chance to be a switcher. And thank you for your attention. I hope you find Smart HR useful and valuable for your company. Thank you.